at the birds.
They're migrating.
Ma, autumn is coming.
Hey, hi, birds. How are you?
Wow, those birds are so clever. It's like they understood Minky.
Hello there, birds. Would you like some water?
Oh, they said yes. It's like they're answering us.
I'm bringing it right now, birds. Wait for me right here. Here's some water for you.
They're very thirsty.
I also brought birdseed. Take your time eating.
Let's rustle around in the leaves.
I love the sound of the leaves.
The rustle of fallen leaves and the chirping of migrating birds. These are the sounds of autumn.
They're going away.
They're waving to us.
Uh-oh.
Hey, come back! Don't fly away yet!
You left one of your friends here.
Hey! This one's just a baby bird, too. Come back here!
The bird is hurt.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry, my friends. We're gonna fix her right up. Let's see what my search engine says. Yep, found it. How to heal a bird's wing. There it is. Bring me bandages and some cream, if you please.
Already brought them. This bag has everything.
When will she be okay?
She'll be just fine by tomorrow.
But her flock is gone.
Oh, don't you worry about her. Or my name isn't Doot Doot. I'll get her up to speed.
Leaves are falling down, they all come. Summer's turning into autumn. Migrating birds are flying south as fast as their wings will allow them. All their preparations are done. They are taking off one by one. When her wing is poorly timed and this sweet bird is left behind. A little bird, I am so sorry you're hurt. We'll help you get better soon. Kukuli will care for you. He will help you fix your wing, give you tasty things to eat. Soon you'll be ready to fly. You will get back to the sky. A little bird, I am so sorry you're hurt. We'll help you get better soon. Kukuli will care for you. He will help you fix your wing, give you tasty things to eat. Soon you'll be ready to fly. You will get back to the sky. Cheep, cheep, cheep. The sweet little bird is better.
But she's separated from her flock.
Everything will be okay. I found the migration map for the birds. I know where the flock is going to be.
Are you sure we can make it?
My name's Doot Doot. I'm the king of all the roads. Of course we'll make it. I know a nice shortcut.
What are we waiting for? Let's go now.
Don't worry, sweet bird. You'll be with your flock soon.
Look, there they are.
Yes, we've found them.
Faster, Doo-Doo, faster. Hey, birds, wait for us.
You forgot one of your little ones.
moment.
Kukuli.
Minky, look, they're leaving.
Hey, wait for us!
Don't be mad, Kukuli. We're just hugging you because we love you. Let's wave to the birds. Bye-bye, birds. Have a safe trip.